Hello everyone. I wanted to send out this quick 5-minute video to get everybody familiar with how the kids will be doing their lessons while we are in distance learning. The kids are already available or already know how to do this, so it should be pretty easy for them. But parents, if you have questions, please let me know. So the students will sign in using their Rapid Identity, and they will go to this dashboard, is what we call it. The two things that the kids will be using the most is going to be this Benchmark Universe, where they will take their reading tests on Fridays, but pretty much everything that we do is going to be here on Schoology. Once the kids go into Schoology, they should look for an update, and theirs is going to look a little bit different than mine. They will just have my updates. They will not have Ms. Holscher's updates. They will just have my updates. So they're going to want to look here and see if I have information for them, which I will every day. And obviously the very first thing that they will do will be to go on to campus and do their attendance. Once they have read that update, then they will go into their courses. And the one course that we use for almost everything is right here in our homeroom course. Occasionally we will use this math course. And then also within these courses will be music, phy-ed, technology, art, and I think that's, yeah, and music, sorry. So once we go in here, you'll see right away that it requests that the kids do their attendance. So we want to do that, and the directions are right here. Once they go down, I would like them to update their planner every morning so it looks like this, so that each time that they complete something, they can go ahead and check it off the list. So I'd like them to complete their planners. Then as we go down, you will see that here is my Google Meetings. And if they click on these blue words right here, it'll take them right to the Google Meeting. Right below here is going to be, I'm going to try and give a little synopsis of what our live meetings will be. For this week, I will have a morning meeting, then I'll have 3 sessions of live help for the kids for reading, math, phonics, or whatever questions I have. And then I'm also available for appointment for individual Google Meetings if you need those, so please reach out to me. Parents, feel free to join any of these live meetings right here. If you have questions, you can certainly ask questions there. Just realize that all of the kids will be in on those meetings at that time. And please, if you can't make it, or if your student cannot make it to this morning meeting, which is the one that I really stress for them to be at, I totally understand that. Just let me know, or join one of the other meetings so that I know that they are working on it and if they have any questions. But I do understand that schedules may prevent students from being at this morning meeting, but that is the one where we will do our calendar math. We'll talk about our day, which is what we would normally do in the morning every day. Then the kids will see these folders below, and this is going to be just a little bit different for them. They're used to see a subject folder, but I've now moved everything into a daily folder. So they will click on that folder, and then they will just go in and they will do whatever they need to do. Now we have been told that they'd like us to keep our schedule as similar to our normal daily schedule if we were in school. So I did line up the folders in those orders. So they will go into their reading folder and they will see whatever it is that they need to do for reading. Then they can go back to, on Tuesday they have phy-ed and music, so they would do that, and then they would continue with the rest of their day. If they finish early, there's a spot here where there are some things that they can do on Monday, but we do have a fun little Christmas project that's right here for them with a video on how to do that. So I'd appreciate if they would do that. I think they will enjoy doing that. A lot of the stuff will be some independent. There'll be a lot of group work, or not group meetings, where I will have small groups or whole group lessons going on. But I just want you to be familiar with how the kids are going to be getting in and looking at their folders and proceeding throughout the day. Again, if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. I do appreciate your help at home with distance learning. Have a great day.